In this class we will learn how to create layers, which are essential for the organization of the project and its execution according to the current technical standards, as they allow to define the style and thickness of the line. To begin with, let's create a new file. Next, we access the command Layer Properties, present in the Layers panel of the Home tab. See that once we activate the command, a palette opens, where we create and manage the project layers. To create a new layer, we click on this icon and see that a new layer is added to this list. Now just set a name for the layer, to make it easier to use. Let's name it Center. To specify a differentiated color for this layer, we must click on this field and, in the box that opens, click on the desired color, in this case cyan. We click OK to confirm the color selection. Let us now modify the line style to dash and dot, which is the style used in the center lines. To do so, click on the field shown and, in the box that opens, click on Load. A new box opens, with a list of all existing line styles. We select the style dash dot and confirm. We reselect this same line style in this box, and reconfirm this window. And so we conclude the line style definition for the layer we just created. To delete an existing layer, we select the layer to delete and click on this command. Also in the list of layers, in this column we can enable or disable the layer by modifying its visualization and plotting. When we freeze a layer, it ceases to be displayed, plotted and regenerated. In this other column we lock a layer so that the objects in it are not modified. These objects appear dimmed in the graphic area, and when you position the cursor over an object with a locked layer, a lock icon appears next to the cursor. Finally, in this column we define whether or not a layer will be plotted. We create the layers contour, invisible, hatching, quota and text, track. For the invisible layer, we modify the line style to dashed and set the red color. For quota and text layers, we change the color to green. The remaining layers we leave in white color. We keep this file with the created layers open, or save it with the name Gramigno. Because it is from this document that we will create the project that will be worked throughout the course. And so we concluded this lesson, where we learned how to create and configure layers to organize the project and configure it according to the technical standard used in the project.